All right, students, then we'll start with the answers today. Okay. I'll be starting with meaning of services, definition, characteristics. There's no need to do. We'll first start with reasons for growth of service sector in India. Okay. I hope my voice is audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. So I'm sharing the screen and we start with the answer. We will first understand the meaning and definition. Okay. And characteristics, I think you can read. It's very simple. We will first pick up all the important questions. Okay. Related to it is the answer, which is reasons for growth of service sector in India. Let me first share the screen. Okay, I'm sure the screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
All right. So we begin with meaning and definition of services. Kaun read karega, starting from the meaning part? Anyone?
Meaning and definition of services. A service is the action of doing something for someone or something. It is largely intangible, that is not material. You cannot touch it, you cannot see it, you cannot taste it, you cannot hear it, you cannot feel it. So, a service context creates its own series of challenges for the marketing manager since he or she most communicate the benefits of a service by drawing parallels with imagery and ideas that are more tangible.
Okay, so to begin with, students, let us first understand what do you mean by services. Services is the action of doing something for someone. Okay, you are delivering your expertise. Okay, I'm not using the word professional because not necessary that all the expertise has to be professional. Legal services are professional. Teaching services professional. Chartered accountancy professional. लेकिन रेस्टोरेंट में जो स्टीवर्ड्स अपना सर्विसेज देते हैं ओके आप उसको प्रोफेशनल सर्विसेज में नहीं काउंट करते हो करेक्ट ना सो इन शॉर्ट सर्विसेज मींस व्हाट डूइंग समथिंग फॉर समवन ओके highly intangible means you cannot see it okay you cannot feel it you cannot touch it however you can evaluate it okay what do you mean by evaluation over here see what is good for Preeti or Smriti may not be good for me. For example, we visited a restaurant. Okay, हो सकता है वहाँ का फूड मुझे पसंद आया. Okay, लेकिन प्रीति को वहाँ का फूड नहीं पसंद आया. So evaluation will differ. Okay, since it is highly intangible, marketer के लिए बहुत बड़ा challenge है. Okay, marketer has to be prepared because customers are going to perceive, the services or they are going to perceive the quality of services on their understanding level. Okay? और थोड़ा simplified कर देती हूँ. For example, you all are going for some classes or tutorials. Okay. Why classes or tutorials? Let us take the example of college classes itself. Okay. मैं जैसे पढ़ाती हूँ. Okay. Possibly किसी student को first time में ये समझ में आ जाता है. Okay. किसी स्टूडेंट को बिल्कुल समझ में नहीं आता है किसी स्टूडेंट को टाइम लगता है समझने में ओके देयर आर डिफरेंट बैरियर्स ओके फॉर इंस्टेंस आई एम यूजिंग ओनली इंग्लिश एज अ लैंग्वेज टू टीच हो सकता है वो स्टूडेंट का जिसका वोकैबुलरी इतना अच्छा नहीं है उसको टाइम लग रहा है सीखने में और समझने में कॉन्सेप्ट करेक्ट ना सो इवैल्यूएशन और असेसमेंट बाय द रिसीवर will differ from person to person. Okay, I hope you at least agree to this कि customers अलग तरीके से perceive करते हैं. Okay, कि मैं जिस तरीके से evaluate करती हूँ, not necessary कोई और उसे उसी तरीके से evaluate करें. In fact, our parameters also differ, guys. For instance, मैं restaurant में जाती हूँ, मेरे लिए food is something important. The quality, taste and hygiene matters. Okay, हो सकता है अरुण के लिए ऐसा नहीं है. Maybe Arun wants कि ambience अच्छा हो. Okay, restaurant में आसपास में ambience अच्छा हो. Okay, so in that circumstances देखो मेरा parameter अलग है और अरुण का parameter अलग. In short, services is doing something for someone but which is very, very challenging. Why I'm using the word challenging? It includes the special characteristics of intangibility. You cannot see it, you cannot feel it, you cannot touch it. Okay, but you can evaluate it. It's a mental assessment which is mostly done by the receiver. I hope there is no difficulty in understanding the meaning part of services. Sure,
No,
easy.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
All right. Okay. So Yashmi is joined in, and we have just started with meaning of services. Okay? Nothing major we have discussed. Okay, we've just discussed that services is intangible. Okay, it is an action of doing something for someone. Okay, and I've just given one small example that whoever is the receiver, okay, he or she is setting the different parameters for assessment. Okay? I gave an example of teaching. I gave an example of restaurant. तो अगर रेस्टोरेंट में हम तीनों जाते हैं तो हो सकता है मैंने पैरामीटर फूड सेट किया है, मेरे लिए फूड इम्पोर्टेंट है, क्वालिटी एंड हाइजीन एंड टेस्ट। यशवी के लिए एम्बियंस इम्पोर्टेंट है, स्पेस इम्पोर्टेंट है, प्रीति के लिए पर्सनल सर्विसेज इम्पोर्टेंट है कि वहाँ के मैनेजर कैसे बात कर रहे हैं, वहाँ के स्टीवर्ड्स कैसे फूड सर्व कर रहे हैं, ओके, आर दे कोऑपरेटिव, are they giving the space to that kind of freedom and space to her to express her choice, okay, and maybe her customization. We do that, right? हमें थोड़ा salt कम चाहिए, हमें मिर्ची थोड़ी कम चाहिए, तो क्या वो तो प्रीति ने वो पैरामीटर सेट किया है, ओके। अगेन सिंपल एग्जांपल, मेरे को जो रेस्टोरेंट पसंद है नॉट नेसेसरी कि आपको भी वो रेस्टोरेंट पसंद आए, तो कस्टमर जैसे परसीव करते हैं ना, that differs. Okay, so assessment is going to differ from person to person. Hence, very challenging for the marketer, okay, to market the services. I hope there is no difficulty till here. Okay, very simple. We've just discussed the meaning. Okay, you can refer to this textbook meanwhile. All right. And we begin with the definition. Let us first take the American Marketing Association. Okay, Smriti.
The American Marketing Association defines services as activities, benefits, and satisfactions which are offered for a sale or are provided in connection with the sale of goods.
Yeah, I think one more thing you need to understand. जैसे हम मार्केट में प्रोडक्ट बेचते हैं, वैसे सर्विसेज भी बेचते हैं. Sometimes we are also providing goods plus services. Okay? For example, आपने मुझसे एयर कंडीशनर खरीदा. ओके, अभी एयर कंडीशनर खरीदने के बाद में मैंने आपको प्रोडक्ट बेचा है. ओके, साथ ही साथ मैं आपको सर्विसेज भी दूंगी. ओके, उसको आके इंस्टॉल करके देना. ओके, फिर उसको 6 months 7 months पीरियड में you need to change the, you need to fill in the gas for air conditioner. Right? फिर उसको after sales service is a prompt and correct word that you can associate. Okay? Bike में भी ऐसे होता है. Okay? You purchase a bike, फिर आप उनको ना starting का कुछ 1 year तक कुछ free services offer करते हो. Okay? So like this. So sometimes you sell product plus associated with services, rightly termed as after sales services. Okay, so it is goods plus services. All right. So American Marketing Association का definition क्या है? Any activities or benefits, okay, which is transferred to the receiver from the seller, okay, or from the service provider. Okay, and the receiver is getting the benefits. Okay. Generally, assessment and evaluation of services, as I said before, also differs from person to person. Okay. Students, teachers also. Okay. Not every student will be comfortable with teaching of a particular faculty. Okay. किसी एक student को teacher का समझ में आ रहा है. Okay. किसी एक student को बहुत time लग रहा है. Okay. As I said, there can be several barriers. For instance, I am only using English as a language to explain. Then those students जिनकी vocabulary थोड़ी poor है या weak है, वो लोग time लगाएंगे समझने में. Okay, that's very clear. Right? So assessment will differ from person to person. Okay? Definition is very simple. Any activity or benefits that is getting transferred to the customer, okay, by the service provider. Now this benefit can be in context to services, or it can be in context to products plus services. So we move ahead. I think we can take one more definition by Philip Kotler.
Yes, ma'am.
A service is any activity of benefit that one party can offer to another that is essentially intangible and doesn't result in the ownership of anything. Its production may or may not be tied to a physical product. Thus, services are those activities which satisfy wants.
This is something which is satisfying the wants of the customer. Okay, necessarily कुछ ऐसा नहीं है कि wherein the customer is getting the ownership. In fact, the customer is not getting the ownership 90% of the time. Okay, for example, आपने कोई product purchase किया, that ownership is transferred to you. कि आपने आके मोबाइल हैंडसेट खरीदा मुझसे. Okay, you paid 20,000. The handset now belongs to you. Okay, this is gone. Okay, the product is transferred. Okay, the ownership is transferred. Okay, but in case of services, okay, क्या हो रहा है? You are just availing the services. Okay, the ownership is not transferred. Why I'm not completely convinced with the textbook over here? यहाँ पे textbook में क्या है? Essentially not transferred. Okay, which I don't agree with. Okay, see, 90% of the time, yes, the ownership doesn't get transferred. लेकिन what in context to contractual services. Okay, आप मेरे legal advisor हो 1 साल के लिए. Okay, तो आप actually the services is in this case it is transferred. Okay, I will abide you. Okay, and I will ask you every time जब आप legal services proper render नहीं करोगे या आप मेरे को court cases में okay win नहीं करते जा रहे हो, especially in corporates, okay, where they usually do contractual legal services. Okay, अच्छे legal firm को contractual basis पे okay वो लोग hire करते हैं. अभी in this case, okay, definitely the ownership तो वो advocate उनका नहीं हो गया. Okay, advocate जो है वो कंपनी ने खरीद नहीं लिया, advocate के services को खरीदा है. Okay, क्योंकि advocate is answerable. We cannot just render services and which is not convincing to the availer. Okay? Therefore, I'm using the word 90% of the time the ownership is not transferred, but in case of contractual services, you are abide within that boundary. You are answerable. Okay? You have to answer that. Okay? And especially, I think in this social revolution, okay, where media is playing a major role, where everything is so transparent. Okay, one cannot just take an easy way out by giving poor quality services and then saying कि हम क्या करें, आपको नहीं पसंद आया तो बाकी लोग को तो पसंद आया. ये रेस्टोरेंट का ओनर बोल सकता है ना, वो आपका चॉइस अलग है, मैं क्या करूँ इसमें, बाकी लोगों को तो पसंद आ रहा है. टुडे इसका ये नहीं है, इस ऑप्शन का स्पेस ही नहीं है. योर आंसर. I think most of the restaurants have by now realized, hospitality industry have by now realized, okay, that since they are answerable, the only option left with them is to deliver quality services. They cannot find an easy way out. कि हमें क्या करना है, आपको नहीं पसंद आया. Okay, there are other people who are buying. I don't know if you might have, I might have come across so many times. Okay, बोल देते हैं वो लोग, you madam, your standards of expectations are very high. Okay, हमारे पास में आते हैं लोग and उन लोगों ने कभी complain नहीं किया. Gym, what do you say, club होता है ना वो, okay, वो लोग ऐसे बोल देंगे कि आपको ऐसे बोल, because customer के पास में bargaining power ही नहीं है. Okay? However, आज की डेट में ऐसा नहीं है. When social revolution has taken place, every service provider is answerable, okay, for the quality of services that he or she is rendering. Okay, so I think in this era where there's stiff competition, nobody can find an easy way out of not answering for the quality of services that they render. Big classes have shut down because they're constantly, their faculty has been changing. Constantly their results are not showing what they have been doing in the advertisements. Okay, but stocks 98, 95, topper of CAs from our classes and topper of CAs from our classes. But when they are not able to deliver good services, they become answerable. Okay, today customers have been asking for refund. Yeah, I'm not convinced with your services. I'm not happy with the quality, you refund. Okay. So in this era, I think marketers के लिए बहुत challenging है. एक तो tangible नहीं है ना और भी difficult. कोई चीज को आप जब देखते हो वो tangible होता है. Okay, तो वो tangible होता है तो आप evaluate कर पाते हो. Okay, लेकिन जो चीज आप देख नहीं सकते हो, okay, which you cannot see, which you cannot hear, which you cannot touch, okay, it is very challenging to evaluate. Right? So in this chapter, in this particular unit, we are going to see how service sector has been, drastically changing. In my words, I think it is improvising and improvise. Slowly and steadily, it is only improvising. Okay, as I said, in this era where people are so vocal about their opinion. Okay, gone are the days जब लोग है ना गलत सर्विसेज अवेल करके भी चुप रहते थे, did not choose to talk out. अभी ऐसा नहीं है. Okay, अभी अगर डोमिनोज का पिज्जा अच्छा नहीं आया तो people call up, okay, to the customer service. What pizza are you sending? Okay, इसका बेस बराबर नहीं है. आप आके इसको वापस नहीं. They do it. They have to do it. Okay, because if you want to survive, okay, they have to listen to the customer. Okay? अच्छा, सर्विसेज को इम्प्रोवाइज करने के लिए आप अभी थोड़ा 2 मिनट सोच के मेरे को बताओ कि what can be done to make the service delivery more effective. Very nice. Very nice. One thing is feedback. Okay, wherein you online students, you all can also reply or put up in the chat box if you want to. Okay, my question is, what can be done to make the service delivery more effective? Okay, your classmate Preeti, she gave a brilliant reply. You can take feedback from the customers and then work on that feedback. Okay, in case they are sharing negative feedback, which you can take it as a constructive feedback and then work on it. Okay, so one thing is this. I think feedback is one of the powerful thing that one can do. What else? और क्या करना चाहिए? Okay, all right. So Yashvi is giving another brilliant reply that there should be prompt, complaint handling strategies. Okay, customer waiting time नहीं होना चाहिए. If someone is putting up a complaint, okay, you should be very prompt in answering them. Okay, and rectifying, not just answering, also rectifying their problems. Okay, खाली problem सुनो मत. Okay, that is not what you're meant for. Okay, you have to also rectify those problems. Okay, what else? See, guys, this is the best part of offline teaching. Okay, you are able to, maybe understand the concept a little faster. Okay, and you're able to reply. Anyone from online would want to share something? No? Okay, मैं मेरा point of view बता दूँ कि how services can be made more effective. I think involvement of the customer. Okay, for example, you visited my restaurant, okay, and you just took the menu and you ordered the food. Okay, इसके बदले, okay, what if I made an effort, okay, to ask you what is your taste and preference? क्योंकि आजकल वो मेन्यू कार्ड में बहुत फैंसी नाम होता है फूड आइटम का, which confuses the customer. ये कस्टमर को पता ही नहीं कि वो एग्जैक्टली उसके अंदर इंग्रेडिएंट मतलब क्या होगा और how it will be made. And they use very different kind of sauces, जो शायद इंडियन सॉसेस नहीं है. हमको ज्यादा ज्यादा चाइनीज में सोया सॉस एंड विनेगर एंड यही पता है, रेड चिली सॉस एंड ऑल दैट. अलग अलग सॉसेस जो आजकल नाम डालते हैं, we don't even know that. Okay, you might be writing it in the menu. Okay, but what if I make an effort to ask you, okay, madam, what is your preference? Okay, आपका taste क्या है? Okay, would you like to have medium spicy, very spicy, or less spicy? Okay, what exactly are you looking out for? Okay, are you looking for a brunch or are you just looking for maybe a light breakfast or something like that? I think involving your customer can make your service delivery more effective. One more example, and teaching. If I go on like a parrot on and on and on and on, okay, assuming कि सबको समझ में आ गया है, is a very wrong method of service delivery. Okay, because देखो पूछना चाहिए, I should be involving the students. Okay, the more I do that, the more I see through your replies, I will understand कि अच्छा student correct direction में सोच रहे हैं, like that. जैसे पढ़ाई का मतलब ये नहीं है कि just answer or just learn. It should bring something to your mind wherein you become, a little more inquisitive, okay, little more thoughtful, all right, and articulate. थोड़ा आप सोच के, you striking your brain, just using it more. Okay, तो अगर मैं पूछ के पढ़ाऊंगी, it is more correct way कि यहाँ पे मेरी सर्विस डिलीवरी और इफेक्टिव होगी. I'll be able to answer my weak student. कि मेरे को पता चलेगा कि वीक स्टूडेंट इस कॉन्सेप्ट को ऐसे क्यों सोचते हैं. Things like that. So I think asking the customer, involving the customer can make it more effective. Let me give you one more example. Airline services. Okay, वहाँ पे biggest failure क्या होता है? Those air hostess, they are, the pretty tall, beautiful girls, okay, coming. तो वो लोग जो लोग रेगुलर फ्लाइट्स यूज करते हैं उनको पता है सब कुछ. ओके, तो जिन लोग रेगुलरली फ्लाइट में नहीं जाते हैं, दे लिटिल हेजिटेट. फर्स्टली दे आर अफ्रेड आल्सो बिकॉज एरोप्लेन में कैसा रहेगा, देयर आर हंड्रेड ऑफ थॉट्स लाइक दैट. तो भी फॉर इंस्टेंस कोई है जिसको इतनी अच्छी इंग्लिश नहीं आती है, okay? और एयर होस्टेस ने आके इंग्लिश में पूछ दिया, so what would you like to have, some Russian food, some Mexican salad, समझा ही नहीं. ये सब the customer might be just like, आप वो दे दीजिए जो सबसे बेस्ट. आई थिंक कस्टमर के पास में जब उनको नहीं समझ में आता है, दिस इज द आई गेस परमानेंट आंसर. ओके, कि आप वो देखो जो यहाँ पे बेस्ट है. अब उसने मेरे को थाई फूड ला के दे दिया, which is not my taste. I don't like sweet. I'm just giving example. कि मुझे वो पसंद ही नहीं आया वो थाई फूड. ओके, जबकि ऑप्शन था वहाँ पे, कि कस्टमर इन्वॉल्व ही नहीं हुआ वहाँ पे. कि कस्टमर ने क्या किया, what whatever is out of hesitation, okay, out of that, is not breaking that wall, is not talking to the air hostess, okay, comfortably. And गलती air hostess की भी है. She should also, come down to that level. Okay, कि सबसे ही आपको fluent and accent वाले इंग्लिश में बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. There are commuters who don't understand English. There are commuters who are not interested to know about what accent you are using, or they want good food. Okay. अब क्या होगा, वो फ्लाइट खत्म होगी, क्योंकि कस्टमर अपने घर पे जाएंगे whatever. उसके बाद में वो असेसमेंट स्टार्ट करेंगे कि मेरे को ये ट्रैवल सर्विस, ये एयरलाइन सर्विसेज कैसे लगा. तो वो फूड के घटिया सर्विसेज था. दिस इज व्हाट दे विल से. यहाँ पे गलती किसकी है, कस्टमर की भी है एज वेल एज सर्विस डिलीवरी एजेंट की भी है. योर शी इज द एजेंट. ओके, एयरलाइन फॉर इंस्टेंस एयर इंडिया, ओके, दे आर सर्विस प्रोवाइडर. Air hostess is the agent. Okay, अब उसकी गलती है. She did not involve, she did not make efforts to involve the customer. Had it been, the other way, she would have involved the customer, कुछ और होता. Okay, but customer ने क्या किया लास्ट में, एयर होस्टेस को भी ब्लेम नहीं किया. वो कस्टमर क्या बोले कि एयर इंडिया का सब थर्ड क्लास है. This is what people do. They do not get involved, and then later on, okay, they blame the service provider. So to make the services more effective, I think involve the customer, as you correctly said, take the feedback, as you correctly said, promptly reply their inquiries, promptly solve their queries, promptly, handle their complaints. Okay. And then do not forget the customer is always right, even if the customer is wrong. Okay. This is the standard formula for every marketer, especially for service providers. Okay. They have to keep it in mind. Okay. The customer is always right. Even if the customer is wrong, you have to assume that the customer is right. Okay. In that way. So let us see that we have time. We do have. So we take the next answer. Then our characteristics थोड़ा बात नहीं करते. Let us first understand the reasons. Okay. Connected answers को पहले लेते हैं. Okay. We have first now discussed the meaning. We have seen the definition. We have seen some ways of how to make the service delivery more effective. Okay. Now let us understand what are the reasons for growth of service sector. Okay, it looks like Smruti is not there in the session. Anisha, read करोगे क्या? स्मूथी क्यों लेफ्ट हो गए? पुअर कनेक्शन or something? She is by the way fully vaccinated. My knowledge. She's out of town. That that won't work now. Yesterday we have attended management meeting and they are still saying why all are conducting online lectures. Stop all this. They will come. But then we cannot be harsh as most of the students are genuinely waiting for the second dose. Please convey this to your friends if they are out of town or whatever to come back to the city. Okay, Arun, आप read करोगे? If you're there.
Ma'am, actually, I'm also doing job.
अच्छा, simultaneously doing. So we have got a great batch where our students are so intelligent. Job भी कर रहे हैं, side by side lecture भी attend कर रहे हैं. क्या बात है? Okay, Anisha, then you read, please. And if you're not reading, then I'll ask my offline students to read. तो मतलब ये तो meaningless है ना ये conduct करना online lecture, recording and all. So all those who are attending offline, I give my complete time and concentration to them. Anisha, you are there? All right. I think you can read Yashvi. Reasons for growth of services. We'll take the demographic changes before you need not go with the introduction. We'll start with demographic changes.
Demographic changes. The life expectancy has raised, which in turn is producing an expanding retired population. This sector has created a new demand for travel and leisure, as well as healthcare, nursing, and life insurance. The need for infrastructural support services has increased due to the development of new towns and regions.
My voice. I think major demographic changes is it's visible. Okay, life expectancy has increased. Okay, earlier people the mortality charts used to have life expectancy of like 45 years, 50 years maximum. Way back days I'm talking about. Okay, but then after services being introduced and after people getting employment, the life expectancy is improved, not just because of employment, for several other reasons. Okay, the quality of life is also improved. Today, people are more conscious. Okay, they go to the gym, they do yoga. Okay, they eat hygiene food. They prefer what do you say, salads and diet food instead of fried foods. Telecom is very rare. I think only from people who are from Bollywood industry or who are from the show business. Okay, only they used to think like that. लेकिन आज कॉमन लोग भी ऐसे सोचते हैं कि नहीं हमें सिंपल फूड खाना चाहिए, हमें योगा करना चाहिए, हमें जिम करना चाहिए. They are more health conscious. Talking about insurance, लोग पहले नहीं लेते थे insurance, लेकिन अभी लेते हैं. They want to secure their future. किसी का इंश्योरेंस होता ही है. अगर किसी का इंडिविजुअल नहीं है तो ग्रुप इंश्योरेंस तो है ही. Okay? So demographic changes is one of the major reasons. Okay? I also feel to a certain extent the thought process. Okay? लोगों के सोचने का तरीका वो भी काफी चेंज हुआ है. Okay? Earlier education wasn't a priority. Okay? Still it is not a priority for most of the people. Okay? But yet again, okay? अभी है ऐसे लोग एजुकेशन को प्रायोरिटाइज करते हैं. हम क्या आंसर स्टडी करें इंक्रीज ऑफ सर्विस सेक्टर क्यों इंक्रीज हो रहा है. okay? क्या रीजन है कि सर्विस सेक्टर में इतना फास्ट ग्रोथ दिखाई दे रहा है. सो पीपल आर सेंडिंग देयर चिल्ड्रन टू स्कूल, देयरफॉर स्कूल सर्विसेज हैव increased. Nowadays people are going to theaters despite of corona and all that. People want to go to watch the movies on big screen. So theaters and all, so entertainment services are there.
Hello, ma'am.
Hanji, yes.
I'm sorry to interrupt, ma'am. Smoothie is waiting in the waiting room. She texted
कौन
me.
है? अच्छा, okay. so sorry. Yeah, this is what it happens, when it's a hybrid. मैं ध्यान ही नहीं दे पाती हूँ online. Okay, thank you, Arun, for bringing it to my notice. Okay, before that the session winds up, let me just at least complete the demographic part. Okay, so these are textbook में खाली दो ही तीन reason लिखा है. Okay, you can imagine कितनी सारी services का क्यों growth हो रहा है, because people are now demanding. Okay, अब देखो airline services क्यों उसका growth है. People are preferring to go and take a aeroplane travel and commute through aeroplane for faster purpose rather than train and buses. ये तो धीरे धीरे लोग डिमांड कर रहे हैं. Okay? The current generation, I think the market is like this, that even small kids are becoming very specific. Okay? मुझे यही क्लासेस जाना है, तो क्लासेस की सब मुझे क्लासेस जाना ही है, अदरवाइज आई कैन नॉट डू माय स्टडीज. ओके, सो देयरफॉर क्लासेस की सर्विसेज इंक्रीज हो रही है, स्कूल्स की सर्विसेज इंक्रीज हो रही है, पीपल आर ट्रैवलिंग एंड कम्यूटिंग. पहले लड़कियां या वुमेन यूज्ड टू नॉट go to the jobs. Now they are going. The train services they have to increase the frequency of the train because people are commuting. Okay, मैंने ना एक रिसर्च पेपर रीड किया था जिसमें मुंबई लोकल ट्रेन्स में पीक टाइम पर it is 87% of the women who are traveling. Okay, and out of which more than 50% are professional women. That means they are working. Professional मतलब वो ट्रेन में घूमते तो नहीं जा रहे रोज रोज, right? So they are working. Okay, on an assumption चलो 10% लोग घूम रहे होंगे, लेकिन 40% तो ऐसे हैं ना जिन लोग काम के लिए कम्यूट कर रहे हैं. Hence travel services is increasing. I think ये सेक्टर टूरिज्म भी ये भी बहुत ग्रो हो रहा है because now people are traveling. Okay, पहले लोग ट्रैवल कौन करते थे. Simple when I was a kid, for us at Chopati and Gateway of India was a prime location. Max to max marine drives. Okay, वहाँ चलेगा तो it's a big place that we have visited. Okay, but off lately people are traveling. They are going to the north and south and whatnot. Okay, so that means tourist travel is also services is increasing. Okay, for those who have entered the session just now, we have started the reasons for growth of services in India. तो डेमोग्राफिक चेंजेस में काफी कंस्टेंट है. टेक्स्ट बुक में 2 ही 3 लाइन लिखा हुआ है. मेरे को लगता है बहुत सारे रीजन है कि क्यों सर्विस सेक्टर इतना ज्यादा ग्रो हो रहा है. Entertainment sector, as I said, people want to watch movies on big screen. Okay. Education sector, people are sending their children to go and pursue their education. Okay. Health sector, people are becoming very conscious about their health. इसलिए जिम के Pilates, some people are hanging upside down. That health conscious they are. Okay, people are that health conscious. They want to look good. Okay, apart from show business, also generally also common people are also becoming very health conscious. So health services is improvising. Okay. Education services improvising, travel services improvising, tourism services improvising. ब्यूटी पार्लर्स एंड सैलून्स पहले इतने नहीं थे जितने अभी है. क्योंकि अभी आप एक लेन में जाओ आपको 10 मिल जाएंगे, एंड दैट टू बिग ब्रांड्स. ओके, लैक्मे इज ओपन एवरीवेयर, एंड्रिच इज एवरीवेयर. ओके, और भी बहुत सारे एवरीवेयर, यू विल फाइंड देम एवरीवेयर. Okay, this is because people are today preferring to look good and whatever, and they want to look, their hair should be nice, their skin should be nice, so they are going to salons and parlor. तो वो सर्विसेज में भी ग्रोथ हो रहा है. Okay, I also feel dual income is one of the prime reason. Okay, earlier only men were working. Okay, but I think today men and women both are working. Husband and wife both are working. Okay, तो जब wife काम कर रहे हैं, obviously she cannot do everything on her own. So domestic helper, उनकी services बढ़ गई, correct ना? She cannot cook food because she's working. So Swiggy and Zomato and whatever. So restaurant again, the services is increasing. The demand for services of food from restaurant is increasing. So there are so many reasons. The list is never ending. If I start, I can go on and on and on and on. कितने reasons हैं ये सर्विस सेक्टर इतना फास्ट ग्रो हो रहा है. We'll see one more, which is social change. Okay.
Social changes. The number of women in workforce has increased, and this has led to traditional domestic functions being performed outside the home. The rise in number of double income household has created a greater demand for consumer services, including retailing, real estate, and personal finance services. With the growing income, the standard of life has improved. Smaller families with double income spend more on entertainment, travel, hospitality services. The aspiration levels have increased due to communication and travel. As a result, both children and adults are making new demands on learning establishments so that they can develop the skills needed in order to compete. In the complex and fast changing environment, this has opened avenues for the knowledge and information based services.
I think it sums up everything to the explanation that I have just given you a minute before. That double income. Okay, I think there is DKNY term just used, double income, no kids. DINK, I'm so sorry. DINK, double income, no kids. Okay, so nowadays families, they are, they're postponing their family life. Okay, and they concentrate more on their career. Okay, automatically giving rise to demand for several services in the market. In the textbook, it is mentioned retail services, probably both the husband and wife are looking for accommodation, right? So retail services better. Yeah, okay, retail market में there is real estate market में there is a demand going on. Brokers, okay, हाँ, agents होते हैं ना, जिन लोग दिखाते हैं घर कहाँ पे अवेलेबल है, लीज पे, रेंट पे, ओनरशिप पे, तो उसकी सर्विसेज इंक्रीज हो रही है. पर्सन फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज इंक्रीज. If two people are working, both of them possibly are going to, do investments in different places. Insurance खरीद रहे होंगे, फिर शायद से mutual funds खरीद रहे होंगे, correct? So financial services is increasing. Both of them might be having bank, 100% might be having bank account, right? So again, their financial service demand is increasing. So इसके बाद में, as I said, क्योंकि कमा रहे हैं तो स्पेंडिंग हैबिट भी होगा, है ना? पीपल आर एम्प्लॉयड, दैट मींस दे आर हैविंग मनी, दे आर हैविंग सेविंग्स, दे विल स्पेंड. स्पेंड मतलब देन इट विल बी, possibly into entertainment, possibly into travels, okay, possibly sending their children into some fancy places. Okay, I think ये स्नो वर्ल्ड और पता नहीं क्या क्या ये सब क्यों